Hey everyone, Edward here and welcome to Windows Report, and in this video I will show you how to create a Windows 11 restore point. First of all, you have to make sure that System Restore is actually enabled. To do this, simply click the search icon in the taskbar, then type create a restore point, which you can also select from the search results. Afterwards, select the drive you wish to enable System Restore for and click on configure. Now make sure to turn on system protection. If that's already turned on, decide on the maximum space usage for the restoration process, then click apply and OK to save changes. Now we can proceed to create a system restore point. Click the search icon in the taskbar, then type create a restore point and select it from the search results. Then when the system properties window opens, click on create. From here on it's quite easy. Just type in the desired name for this restore point and click on the create button. Now you just have to wait a bit while Windows creates this restore point. You will see that once the process is done, a confirmation message will appear. And that was it. Now you created your own restore point. Remember that if you want to restore your PC, simply press the search button, then type RSTRUI and then select it from the search results. This will take you to the System Restore window. And in here, simply click on Next, then select the restore point you wish to revert to, and click again on Next, and lastly confirm with the Finish button. So that was it. Pretty easy, isn't it? As usual, for more information and details, you can check the article in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, just make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.